Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today topic is void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. These three terms also known as volumetric relationship. In this diagram, you can see solid volume. Solid volume is indicated by the symbol Vs. Here you can see from here to here, the volume is indicated by the symbol Vs, and volume of water is indicated by the symbol VW. Volume of air is indicated by the symbol VA, where volume of air and water is indicated by the symbol VV. VV is volume of voids. Total volume is indicated by the symbol capital V. We only focus this part because doing volumetric relationship. Our first term is void ratio. Void ratio is defined as the ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solid in a given soil mass. Here in the picture you can see void ratio is ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solid. Means E is equal to this part is equal to VV, so VV, and this part is equal to VS, because we are calculating in terms of volume, so we called it volumetric relationship. So E is a volumetric relationship. It has got no unit but expressed as a fraction or decimal, and soil with void ratio greater than unity is weak, compressible and pervious in nature. Our next term is porosity. It is defined as the ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of a given soil mass, and it is indicated by the symbol small n. In the picture you can see porosity is what? Ratio of volume of voids means this to the total volume. It is also a dimensionless term but expressed as a percentage, so it is also known as percentage voids. Our next term is degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is the ratio of volume of water and volume of voids. It is indicated by the symbol capital S. Here in the picture you can see volume of water is this and total volume is this. So VW upon VV is equal to degree of saturation. It is also expressed as a percentage and also known as percentage saturation. Must be remembered that both porosity and degree of saturation are used as a decimal in calculation part but expressed as a percentage. Thank you.